Good morning students. Welcome back to our 6th standard maths online class. Dear students, today we are going to see exercise 1.1 continuation. Okay, let's start now. Okay, dear students, I hope you all get your maths book, okay, from your class teacher. Let's see the exercise 1.1, fill in the blanks. Okay, so first we see the given question. 7 3 by 4 plus 6 1 by 2 equal to, what is the answer? Okay, here I put the answer is 14 1 by 4. Okay, how can we get the answer? See this. Okay, first take and write the given sum, and then this number is in mixed fraction number. Now we are going to change into improper fraction. 7 into 4. Okay, 7 into 4 plus 3. Okay, by the denominator number is 4 plus 6 2s are 12 plus 1 by 2. Okay, so here 7 4s are 28 plus 3 is 31 by 4 plus 13 by 2. Okay, therefore, so here 4 and 2. Okay, here 4 and 2 we need to take the LCM. Okay, so here we take the number 4 is a LCM number, so this number 2 we are going to be changed into 4, so we need to multiply the number by 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, so here the numerator also multiple by 2, so 13 into 2 26. Therefore 31 by 4 plus 26 by 4, so 4 is a common number in the denominator. So next 31 plus 26 is 57. Okay, so finally we need to put the answer in the mixed fraction number, because the question is in the form of mixed fraction, so the answer should be in mixed fraction. So how can we change this improper fraction into mixed fraction? So take the number 57 divided by number 4. Okay, so 1 4 is 4, the remaining is 1, so after you take the number 7. So next is 17, 4 4s are 16, so remaining 1. So therefore the 1 is going here, that is the quotient, and then remainder. The remainder number will be go to be the numerator, and then 4 come to the denominator, and 14 is the natural number. Okay, it's a whole number. Okay, so therefore we finally we get the answer is 14 1 by 4. Okay, so see that the next sum. Okay, see the second sum. The sum of a whole number and a proper fraction is called the mixed fraction number. Okay, next one, the third question also, the 5 1 by 3 minus 3 1 by 2 equal to. Okay, so here also the same method of the first sum. Okay, so here they given the negative minus, subtract these two numbers. Okay, finally we get the answer is 1 by 5 by 6. Okay, so you need to try this sum. Okay, so go to the next fourth one. 8 divided by 1 by 2. So see here, 8 divide 1 by 2. So the division will change into multiplication. How can we change into multiplication? The second number. Okay, see the second number will be take a reciprocal. Reciprocal means 2 by 1. Okay, 1 by 2 change into 2 by 1. So here the denominator have the number is 1. So the numerator number is 8 2s are 16. 16 is the answer. Okay, next one, the number which has its own reciprocal is 1. The answer is 1. Okay, say next one, say true or false. 3 1 by 2 can be written as 3 plus 1 by 2. It is true. Okay, so next, the sum of any two proper fraction is always an improper fraction. The sum of two proper fraction is always an improper fraction. It is false. The mixed fraction of 13 by 4 is 3 1 by 4. So it is true. Okay, so try this. How can we find this? Take the number 13. Okay, so divide by number 4. Okay, so see this, 3 4s are 12, so the remaining is 1. So this is quotient and remainder. So the remainder is in numerator, and then denominator have the number is 4, and then whole number is number 3. It is correct. So next, the reciprocal of an improper fraction is always a proper fraction. It is true. Okay, so next, 3 1 by 4 into 3 1 by 4 equal to 9 1 by 6. See here, 9, 3 3s are 9, and 4 4s are 16, 1 1 is 1. Okay, so here, see this, the number, first we need to change into improper fraction. So 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13 by 4 into 13 by 4 equal to, so 4 is 4 4s are 16, 13 into 13 is 169. So you need to find the number. Okay, in mixed fraction. Okay, so how can we find this? 169 is divided by number 16. 116 is 16, the remaining is 9. Okay, so therefore the numerator number is 9. Okay, so the whole number is 1 and then 16. Okay, here the answer is 1 9 by 16, but here they given the answer is 9 1 by 16. It is a false answer. Okay, so go to the next third one. So here we completed up to third sum. Okay, now we are going to see the fourth one. Okay, find the difference between 8 by 9 and 2 by 7. Okay, difference means subtraction. Okay, so 8 by 9 minus 2 by 7. So first we need to see the denominator 9 comma 7. Okay, the new denominator number is different, so we need to take the LCM 9 and 7. Okay, it's not comes in the same table, so we take 9 7s are 63. Okay, is a LCM number. Okay, so first we take the number 8 by 9 equal to 8 by 9 into, so the number 9 is multiple by 7. Okay, 9 7s are 63, 8 7s are 56. Next take the second number 2 by 7, 7 multiple by 9, number 9. Okay, 7 into 9, 2 into 9, 2 9s are 18, 7 9s are 63. Okay, so here we need to take the both numbers. Okay, coming the denominator is same, so 56 by 63 minus 18 by 63. So therefore we get the answer is 56 minus 18, so we get 38 by 63. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, now come to the fifth question. Subtract 1 3 by 5 from 2 1 by 3. Okay, so here also the given numbers are 2 1 by 3 minus 1 3 by 5. So first we need to mixed fraction change into improper fraction. 7 by 3 minus 8 by 5. How can we change this? 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3. Minus 1 5 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8 by 5. Okay, so the LCM number is 3 5s are 15. So first we need to take the number 7 by 3. The 3 is multiple by number 5. So 3 5s are 15, 7 5s are 35. Next take the second number 8 by 5. 8, the 5 is multiple by 3, 5 3s are 15 and 8 3s are 24. So next we need to subtract the both numbers, 35 by 15 minus 24 by 15. So finally we get the answer is 11 by 15. Okay, so next I will give one simplify the same method of the fifth sum. 7 2 by 7 minus 3 4 by 21. Okay, that is the homework for you. So go to the question number 4. Convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and vice versa. Okay, so first question is 3 7 by 18. Okay, how can we change the mixed fraction number change into improper fraction? So the given number is 3 7 by 18. Okay, so 3 into 18 plus 7 by 3. Okay, 3 into 18 plus 7 by 3 by 18. Okay, so we need to multiply the denominator and the whole number plus numerator. Okay, so see 54 plus 7 by 18. Okay, 3 8s are 54, 18s are 54. So finally 54 plus 7 is 61 by 18. Okay, see the next number, second one, 99 by 7. Given number 99 by 7. So first we need to divide this number 99 by 7. 1 7 is 7. So the remaining is 2. Next we take the second number is 9. 4 7s are 28. 29 minus 28 we get the answer is 1. So this is remainder and quotient. So the quotient come to the whole number. So 14. 1 is a remainder comes in the numerator. 1 by 7 is a denominator number. Okay, 14 1 by 7 is the answer. Go to the next one, also the same method, 47 by 6. Try this. Okay, next one 12 1 by 9. So this one 12 into 9 plus 1 by 9. 12 9s are 108 plus 1 by 9. So therefore finally we get 109 by 9. Okay. Okay, next one, see this, multiply the following. 2 by 3 into 6. Okay, so see this, 2 by 3 into 6. 1 3 is 3 and 2 3s are 6. Okay, divide the numbers. Okay, because 6 is in the numerator and 3 is in denominator, so we can divide the number easily. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Okay, next 8 1 by 3 into 5. Okay, 8 1 by 3 change into mixed fraction number, change into improper fraction. So we get the answer is 25 by 3 into 5. Okay, so next 25 into 5 is 125 by 3. Okay, so here we get 125 divided by 3. So 4 3s are 12, the remaining is 0. So take the second number is 5. 1 3 is 3, the remaining is 2. Okay, so we put the mixed fraction number 41 2 by 3. Okay, so go to the next one. 3 by 8 into 4 by 5. Okay, 8 we can divide by fourth table. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. So remaining numbers are 1 3 is 3 by 2 into 5, so 3 by 10. Okay, okay, see this the fourth one. 3 by 5 5 by 7 into 1 1 by 13. Okay, so 5 by 7 into 1 1 by 13. So the mixed number is changed into fraction number. 3 into 7 plus 5 by 7 into 13 into 1 plus 1 by 13. So 26 by 7 into 14 by 13. So here 13, 1 13 is 13, 2 13s are 26, 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. So 2 2s are 4 by 1 into 1 equal to 2 2s are 4. Okay, so finally we get the answer is number 4. Okay, so dear students, your class is over now. Okay, so you need to write the sums in your classwork, write neatly. Okay, send your task completed beyond time. Okay, thank you children, have a nice day, see you, bye bye.